Hi friends, how are you? In this video clip, I am going to brief you on the textile wave pattern. Already in my previous classes, I explained uh, about plain view design, twill view, satin view. Okay, and 4 5 videos already released. Please watch those videos. In this video clip, I am going to brief you on basket view. Basket view is a very fancy and drapey and multi-purpose views used and very popular in textile applications. What is basket view? Basket view is a modifications of plain view fabric. Plain wave fabric is an interlacement of warp and weft, that is one up, one down. What is the difference between plain view and basket view? Plain view is having a one up, one down, that is one warp thread is floating up and down of the weft threads. But in case of basket views, number of warp threads are floating together on up and down of the number of the weft threads. Equal number of say 4 weft threads are there, 4 weft threads are there, 4 warp threads are there. They are floating together like this. Okay, making like mat. This basket view is also called as a mat view or Hopsack view or basket view. Why it is basket view? Basket because of after interlacement of after finish of the fabric seems like basket. The structure, the overall texture seems like a basket pattern. This is called. That is the reason it is called basket view. Basket view having there are many threads. 2 threads can be float on 2 threads of the weft. 3 warp threads can be taken over the 3 weft threads. That is equal number of. That is if the equal number of if the equal number of warp threads floating up and down of the equal number of weft threads, that is a regular basket views. If the there is a difference between the floating of the number of weft or warp threads together floating, that may give an irregulars. And number of modifications is also done from the basket view. Many things are there that can be achieved by manipulating the number of threads or floating or heels in the looms or pattern, whatever chances are there to manipulate the designs to get. That is the creativity of the textile designers. Say one simple on this graph, I wanted to show a simple basket view. Say for your understanding, I am taking first 4 up, 4 down, floating. See, first observe. Okay, and in this video, here this is gap is there. Next, you will come to know the views modifications. Okay, see now in this graph. Now I will start here. Hope you are seems here. Okay, here I am taking I am marking here. This is first warp thread. This is second warp thread. This is third warp thread. This is fourth thread. So there are 4 warp threads are moving. How they are moving? Floating on the 4 warp threads. Here this floating on the 4 weft threads. See, this is the warp end. Hope I think you are not seeing. Leave it here. These are the warp end. Okay. These 4, and these are the weft threads. Okay, Now, how many? It's floating on 4 threads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, total 4 threads. Total 4 threads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 threads are floating on the 1, 2, 3, 4 weft threads. Okay. Now, and going down on the fifth weft thread, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. For fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, the warp threads are going down. Here I am saying, I am marking as minus. These are going down. Okay. These are going down. This is one repeat. Now I am taking here the next that is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth warp threads. How they are moving? Here they are here. First 1 to 4 threads are moving up the weft threads. Now next 5 to 8 threads are moving down. I am making here minus. Okay. See. Okay. Now and then for fifth and sixth, seventh, eighth, this downward down the warp threads which are flowed down are coming up here. 1, 2, first thread coming up, second thread, 4 weft. This 4 weft thread floating up on the 4 threads. Okay, like this. See, I will finish. You will come to know in the final video. You will finish. You will get the finished structure. See how it is upon 4 up, 4 down. This is the one repeat result. This is called the one repeat. This from it. Here, this is called one repeat of the 4 up, 4 down. But which one is this? Is called 4 up, 4 by 4, 4 up, 4 down. This is. Hope I think this is. I'll finish it in the final view. Then how this? If I can increase here also one more. If you want, this is one repeat of 4 up, 4 down is there. If we think about the in the mill, that is drafting and lifting plan, we can draw drafting and lifting plan also. Here first 4 threads, here lifting thread I am making here. First 4 threads are moving here. First, how many heels are required here? How many heels are required? This is just it is a modification of the plane view. How many heels are required? 4 threads are moving up, 4 threads are moving down. As per me, 2 heels are enough, because for this all threads are for this first floating, the first raise of the warp threads, first heel will raise up, then the second heel is going down, then for the second is moving up. So 2 heels are enough for this. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the draft. This is the drafting. I am writing here. This is the draft of this drafting plan. 2 heels are enough for this. I think there is no. If when 3 or 4 heels are required, if there is any still complex modification is there, then number of heels are increased. Now the lifting plan. If we take the lifting plan, see this is the first. This is the first heel. This is the first heel. This is the second heel. Okay. If we take the lifting plan, and I am marking here, this is the lifting plan. It seems like same here. First is here. The first heel is coming here, going up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. and the second head is coming here. See, a simple basket weave. Okay, right? This simple weave is there, and like this we can create the other designs also. Here, this is a simple basket weave is there. Like this, we can create 2 by 2 basket weave or Oxford weave. Oxford weave, that is 2 up, 1 down. That is 2 threads are moving up and 1 thread. Here I am writing here. Same in the same graph value. Oxford, just I am drawing the repeats. This is Oxford weave. 2 up, okay. You see 2 threads are floating on the, sorry, 2 threads are floating up, okay. 2 threads are floating on the 2 weft threads and going down on the third. This is 1, 2, third, 4, 5, 6 is there. The first thread number 1 and 2, this is thread number 1 and 2, that is warp thread 1 and 2 are floating on the weft number 1 and 2 and going down on the 3 and moving up 2 threads and going 1 down. This is the repeat. Okay, next third, fourth, fifth. Third and fourth, how they are coming? This is here and here. Down is there, is moving up and down. Okay, moving up, going down. Like this, the weave we can create. Any type of modifications can be done from this. Right? This is how the modifications in the basket weave. These are the opportunity for the textile designers to create something, okay, from the available options. Okay, this is how the creation will take us. Now you will come to know in the modifications. I will finish it. You will come to know. See here how the pattern looks. Now this is the 4 up, 4 down basket weave, normal basket weave. This is the 2 up, 1 down Oxford. This is the stitch weave. This is complicated modifications from the basket weaves. There is stitching is there. It is stitching appearance, some modifications. If the fabric is viewed like this, it will appear like this. Like that, many designs can be modified. Okay. Okay, now I will come to the properties. What is the benefit of this? What is the benefit of this basket weaves compared to the plain weave? Plain weave is a very tight constructions. In plain weave, the constructions can be modified, can be loosened, plain weave can be modified into loosened constructions as well as tight constructions. In case of cotton, loose constructions like for air breathability or air permission or for gauze fabric or bandage fabric or anything which is required to permeate the air, that is transparent in nature. For such like a net like the fabric, the loose plain weave 1 up 1 down is constructed. Like in case of taffeta, for polyester nylon, that is also 1 up 1 down synthetic fiber. In that case, very tight construction will be there. 200-250 threads per inch will be there, or 180 to 190 weft threads per inch. Very tight construction with 15 denier or 40 denier fabric. But in case of basket weave can be constructed even by finer yarns or by coarser yarns. It depends upon the end application where this basket weave fabric is going to be used. Whether it is for shirting purposes, or whether it is for men's, kids, women's, or tops, or whatever draperies is required, or curtains, or upholstery, or any home applications, or any other end users, or any industrial application. Depend upon the end applications, this basket you can use. And if you think about the, in case of tensile strength or any strength properties like tear strength, tensile strength, or any strength you take, parameters, that is tensile parameters, it is very poor, because its basket view does not hold much strength compared to plane view. Plane view is one up, one down is there, but in the case of this mat view or matty view or the basket view, because of the floating number of floats, and the combination of the floating is more, the holding of the yarns and holding of the yarns together is very, chances are very less, the strength is very less. So it's a loose in constructions. So because of the loose, it will produce drape. Because of the loose, it produces the softness. It is a very soft fabric and very beautiful. It can be produced very beautiful if the fibers used, very shiny fibers like many in cotton is natural fibers. You take linen or viscose or rayon. You can use along with the cotton. It will produce very good shiny. The quality or shining of any fabric you take, or any beauty in nature of the fabric, can be produced not only by the use of the fibers, but in the combination of the fiber content, in the combination of the construction, in the combination of the yarn used, in the combination of the view applied, in the combination of the dye used, in the combination of the anything. Number of factors are included to produce one beauty or one design, the end applications. Okay, so properties, I think the properties are not holds good, especially the strength properties, and also the stretch is more, the stretch, because the stretch between the width to width or lengthwise, it will be there because of the loose construction. The yarns are in the free form is there. Okay, hope this is enough. You will get, if you want much more, you refer any other books or any other sources. This is small videos on the introduction parts on basket view. Thank you very much for watching this. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel Guru Veeranna tutorials for fashion design, fashion technology and textile technology. Already now my videos are worldwide. On many of the countries, people are watching my videos. Okay, you can send the comments if you want any good videos or any topic wise videos. Please send me the comments which topic you want, and please subscribe to my channel. Please click the icon bell. Please share my videos to your friends, those who are interested to learn textile and fashion technology. Okay, thank you very much.